Vlogmas is really vlogmasing right now. I did that whole thing without the microphone on. So do you believe that? One of these Vlogmases, I am going to have a video on all of the Vlogmas fails. Let me know what you guys think about that down below. So, hello my YouTube people, how you doing today? I am good. Today is Vlogmas day 7, and today is an extra special one because it is my firstborn's birthday today. She is very happy, she's having a party, and I decided to do a couple of special things for her. So in my family, we like gifts from the heart. Not so much as an emphasis on monetary presents, right? So we don't go out, we don't buy each other expensive gifts or anything, you know, like that. But what we do is we give gifts from the heart. A lot of handmade gifts, a lot of funny gifts, but gifts that cater to each other's personality. So today's video is going to be about that, gifts for the heart. So the first thing I am doing is, well, I'll tell you the story. My dad passed away in 2020. They were very close, my daughters and he, and every birthday, every holiday, he would call at the crack of dawn. I mean, with the roosters. Okay, I think my father was up before the roosters, and he would call them up and he'd be like, happy birthday, girl. So this year I decided to kind of bring that magic back to her, and you'll see what I'm talking about and what I am going to make. Then she was also looking for a likeness with her and her boyfriend so she can put in her house that matched the holidays, but she has not been able to find it. So I went on Midjourney and I generated that for her. So I made that into, well, you'll see what I made it into. So then I went ahead, went over to her house, helped her decorate, and then ended up making cake pops for her. But these are really easy cake pops. I call them cake pops in a rush, right? So no baking required. It's so super simple. It's so easy and anybody can do it. So so this Vlogmas is really teaching you 3 things to make a winning side hustle. You have personalization, you have treats, and you have sentiment. So we're gonna make memorial gift, we're going to make a yummy gift, and we're going to make a funny gift. So stay tuned and you'll see what we're talking about. I'm making a personalized necklace that has my father in it with a phrase that he used to call her, and I'm also making a likeness magnet for my daughter so she can put it on her refrigerator. I'm using Mod Podge here, so we're going to take our Mod Podge and we are going to slather it all over our little mini canvas here and paste our image on. We're going to go over it with the decoupage so that it's nice and secure on the canvas. I'm going to clean the cabochons first. Make sure you clean them with alcohol so that there's no smudges. Going to glue some diamond adhesive into the tray and put our image inside. This is where our personalized image is going to go. Make sure it is secured down. Wipe off any of the excess glue and let that sit for a minute. I am also going to put some silver flakes inside, as well as paint the little blue border because that's my daughter's favorite color. Her and my dad were very, very close, and I think this gift is really going to touch her. I think that she's really going to love this gift. So we're going to wipe off any of the excess paint or glue that's on the tray and let that sit for a minute while we glue the image of my dad inside the other tray. A little bit of this glue goes a long way. Make sure that the image is pressed down. I am going to wipe off the cabochon with some alcohol. I'm going to clean it so that it's nice and clean. Then I'm going to take some Mod Podge, and I'm going to take some of the silver leafing, and I'm going to put it in there just to accent a little bit. Make sure that it's down and secure. Now this is just going to be in touches. It's not going to be silver leafing the whole thing. I just want to have some accents. Put a little dollop of glue in the center and press the cabochon in and press down. The glue is going to spread inside the cabochon. Now if you get some spillage over it, if you get some glue coming out of it, just wipe it with the alcohol and it should come off fairly easily. I'm going to glue the other cabochon into that tray and follow the same procedure. I'm going to press it down and wipe off any of the excess glue that comes out. So for this little tray, I got this at the Dollar Tree, guys. It's a cute little canvas on a cute little easel. So I'm just going to go ahead and glue that with hot glue. Set it down, press it a little bit so that it sets. And I'm going to go ahead and paint the sides of it with some nice blue paint to match my image. I like clean finished work, so I always finish the ends of my canvas. I just think that it makes it look a whole lot more polished and finished. How cute is that? Then I am going to take some silver leaf, get a few pieces out, and I'm gonna accent the snow on this little canvas with the silver leafing to give it a little bit of that elevated touch. I think it's so cute, it's so whimsical, and I think that it's an adorable little touch to have the little sparkles on there. I am going to take a chain and link the charms through it. I like these trays because it already has the part where you slip the chain through. I just think it looks really nice and finished. And there it is, that chain is done. I'm going to take some magnets and I'm going to hot glue them to the back of this little easel to make it a refrigerator magnet. I just thought that that was the cutest thing ever. This is where I say personalization can go a long way. These would be adorable personalized little refrigerator magnet canvases. We can make families, we can make pets. The sky is the limit on what we can do with this cute little personalized magnet for the refrigerator. This is a really, really cute side hustle. There's a lot of things you can do with this. And this is only $1.25 from the Dollar Tree. And here's Lexi.
It's Lexi's birthday. Here, a little something.
Aw, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh,
Get
thank
something.
you.
Oh,
Aw, I love that.
that's you and Gabe.
I love it. Thank you so much, Mom.
You're welcome. And this one you gotta close your
Oh,
eyes.
it's
It's a magnet. All right, does she have her eyes closed?
I have my eyes closed. I only see the colors of shapes.
Open your eyes.
You know, I cried about him this morning.
It's okay.
Thank you.
He would have called you.
Hello,
Hello, girl. You have to look at it.
Hello,
Look at it.
girl.
Look at what's
oh,
on
the
it.
horses. Oh, I love it.
I can't see it.
Thank you,
She's
Mom.
a hello
I'm gonna
girl.
wear it. I'm going to wear it.
Ready.
Let's see.
Thank you, Mom.
Hello girl.
Hello, girl.
Yay.
So for the cake pops, the first thing we're gonna do is melt the chocolate. I like to put some Lindt chocolate in with my candy melts. I think that the chocolate comes out tasting so much better. It's a nice richer taste, and there's just an elevated taste to this chocolate blend. So we're going to have a little pot of boiling water, and we are going to place our tin on top of it and let that melt down. Please stir it continuously. You do not want it to harden because the chocolate can seize on you. You do not want that to happen. Then we're going to take our Entenmann's cake, our Entenmann's pre-made cake, and we're going to crumble it. Now, I don't like handling food that much, so I will only do this until it just has the first crumbles. It's a don't forget to wear gloves. Then I'm going to take 2 big spoons of frosting, 2.5 big spoons of frosting, and mix it in with the crumbled cake. I mix it in with the spoon first. Again, I don't like to handle the food that much, so I just think that I like when it's a little bit crumbly and not so mushy. So I go ahead and I mix that together lightly. I don't like to create a ball of mush. I like it for it to still have some cake consistency. I just think that texturally it's nicer. And I'm going to take the spoonful and I'm going to start rolling it into little balls. I'm putting it on top of parchment paper right now. And just continue the process. One little box of Entenmann's pre-made pound cake made about 16 cake pops. So then I'm going to dip the lollipop stick into the melted chocolate and stick it straight through the center of my cake pop. The reason that I do this is so that it kind of like holds it it serves like as a glue. So when we dip our cake pop, it does not fall off the stick. We're gonna let that dry, and then we're going to now dip the cake pops into the mixture. We're gonna dip the cake pops into the melted chocolate. While they're still wet, I decided to just throw some sprinkles on there. It's a little 80s inspired party, so I thought that this was the simplistic nature of the cake pop was really, really cute. It has little balloons on the sprinkles. And here is our finished product. Cake pops on the go. So what did you guys think of that? Sentimental gifts, especially during the holidays, anything that's personalized is really going to hit home, and it's really going to touch the hearts of the ones that we love. So, you know, that's my Vlogmas Day 7. If you like this video, if you're new here, my name is Maria. I go by A Talented Latina. Please like, please subscribe, and what? Please comment. You know, I love the comments. I really want to know the comments on this particular video. Personalization is it's such a good niche to get into. I don't know anybody who does not enjoy a personalized gift. It just shows that you are giving a thoughtful gift. You're giving a gift that nobody else is going to have but this person, because it's personal. personalized. So if you guys are looking for a side hustle, personalization is it. Don't let anybody tell you that it is oversaturated, because nobody can give a personalized gift like you. Okay, so keep that in mind. We're not gonna think about oversaturation. Nobody can deliver what you're gonna deliver like you. So keep that in mind. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 8. Peace.